Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachit Singh, a desktop support engineer. Today we are going to unbox a consistent motherboard. So let's get started. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. I have opened the box. These are the motherboard stand-ups that come with the motherboard. This is the SATA cable. It's come in red color. It's a little bigger. Let's set it aside for now. And here is the motherboard. Here is the driver CD that comes with the motherboard. And here are the user manual and other documentation included with the motherboard. We don't need to go through the documentation right now. Let's close the box and place the motherboard on top so we can unwrap it and take a closer look. Here is your motherboard. Now let's unbox it and take a closer look. Now let's take the motherboard out of the box. The motherboard looks really good. Avoid touching the motherboard components with your hand. Now I will open the CPU socket. Unpack the processor and carefully install it into the motherboard. I have an 8GB DDR3 RAM model which is compatible with the motherboard. Before installing the CPU cooler, we are applying thermal paste to the processor. I have applied the thermal paste. Now let's install the CPU cooler. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.